Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Shelly and I have loads of cleaning motivation videos here on my channel. If you're new, feel free to subscribe. I'd love to have you join my family. And today we are cleaning this linen closet. It was a disaster before and now I am so in love with it. I'm sure there will be some things to change throughout the years, but for right now, this works perfect for our family and a more minimalistic style, and I am honestly shocked with how well everything fits and that I have extra room. So if you want to see how you can organize your linen closet, keep on watching. Okay, so I have these bins. These are the bins that I got from the at-home store. So I got the bigger one, and then there's this smaller one. And I really thought that they would be bigger. I really wanted deeper baskets, so I'll probably have to go back and get more. Then these are the wicker ones, so I'll probably have them sitting like this, I think. I don't really know what I want to have and everything, but we'll figure it out later. And then I got these from the dollar store. They're a little flimsy, and the white doesn't match these baskets, so I don't know if I'll keep them in here, but we'll see. Then I have these two. So I don't know, hopefully they all kind of make sense. If not, I'm going to go back and get some gray baskets from Walmart, but we will see. I want to empty these. These bins are just from the Dollar Tree. I don't really like the colors on them, and this like pattern, I'm just not about it. So I have all of our towels and rags in here. I want to get them into these baskets, but I don't know which ones. I have this wire basket that I'm thinking I want to use for rags and like face towels maybe. I think that could look pretty, or even toilet paper. I'm not sure yet. These can go into storage until I get, I don't know. They're picture frames. I don't really know. I don't know why a knee brace is in here. This can go in my son's closet. So I would like to use these and actually like print pictures out and put them in and hang them up. That's what I would like to do with these. But in the meantime, what am I gonna do? That I don't know. My mom's funny. When I was pregnant, she got this for my boyfriend. Like, I just don't even know. I like had these from forever ago. I don't know if like I have stuff to like make jewelry. This is for our thermostat. Oh, here's arts and crafts things. So that this. Oh, seashells from when I lived in Hawaii. Stuff for our baby shower. More picture frames that need updating. Ugh. Okay, so I'm going to just take everything out and try and group it the best that I can. So I'm going to put you on the tripod so you can see what's going on. Cute. I gotta put pictures in it though. It's his little hand and footprint. So this is everything after I took it out of the closet. And here is the final product. I am in love. So we'll start from the bottom up. So I used the Dollar Tree bins that I'm not like the biggest fan of the look of them. I still wanted to utilize them. I thought on the bottom was best because you don't really see them that much, and we're going to have the doors back on. So I just put in here some miscellaneous stuff. I have my exercise ball, and then just like a box that we needed still for our thermostat. So just like random things like this that we can't get rid of are going to be in there. Then I just have a blanket that I didn't know what to do with in an extra basket that I thought matched. And then in this one I have an extra blanket, kind of random. And then we have our memory foam filler for our pillows. I didn't really know where to put it. And then I also have like a Christmas pillowcase for a throw pillow. I'm sure eventually I'll find a better spot for that. But for right now, this is, maybe I'll put this Okay, next, I have this big comforter. It's just our extra comforter. We just have one extra one. I'm not the type of person that has a ton of linens. One day I'll get there, but it's not on my priority list, so I didn't really know what to do with it, so I kind of just put it here for now. Then next to here, sorry if you hear my air conditioner, it's so loud. But next I have this here full of my rags. I got this bin from the Dollar Tree, and I just did like the Marie Kondo style folding so that you can see everything, and I have to have it color coordinated. I want to put something else on there maybe eventually, and I might rearrange all of these. I'm not sure how I like it yet, but we'll see. This is what it is for now. And then on this shelf I have my kitchen hand towels. So these all came in a set, Marie Kondo style, folded all of these. Then these ones came in a set with some other ones as well. Just another random one, and then two decorative ones that we sometimes use. But that holds all of these. Then I have this wire basket. I guess I'm just gonna have this big blanket in here. Kind of ties everything together a little bit. Kind of has like the lake vibe with my beach towels. This next bin is my microfiber cleaning rags, and also my mop rag, microfiber rag. So there is 2 rows in here. It fits perfectly. I'm really excited about this. Some of the smaller ones, very excited about that. I can just quickly grab and go. And then in this wicker basket, I have all of my holiday hand towels for the kitchen. And on this top one, I have these 2 bins that I got from the Dollar Tree as well. They are round, and I just rolled up our towels and put them in here. So it's like the perfect size for the amount of towels that we have. We have beach towels that we use occasionally if it's like laundry day or now that it's summer. I didn't really know what to do with them. I wanted to put them maybe in the wicker basket, but they're way too big. So they're right here for now. Let me know how that looks. I'm not sure how I feel about it. But now on the top row, which is less used items, and I wanted the heavier items on top as well so my son can't pull them down. But in this bin, which is also Dollar Tree, so we have just like some random cards, some screws and things to hang things up in. I have a blood pressure cuff and a car headlight. So this is just like the random bin, but I want to keep it as organized as possible. This bin, which these ones and the wicker ones came from at home. And I have my sheets and pillowcases in here, which like I said, I don't have a lot of linens. So that's all I needed for that. In this wicker basket are craft supplies. So we have like acrylic paint, paint brushes, my glue gun, and also jewelry making supplies. And then in this guy, I have a lot of random candles. So I just have my candles. I put the smaller ones in the back because it just looks better that way. So that guy's heavy. Quite sure I still need to clean up there. I didn't feel like getting the ladder out, so not really sure. Probably more storage. But this is her. And I also wanted to show you too, I had this basket in there as well, and I thought that it would look good in my spare bathroom for the hand towels. Let me know what you think. Very excited. It's so much better than it was before. I'm trying to still get the aesthetic down. Let me know any thoughts or suggestions. So I did actually rearrange a couple of them on the bottom shelves. As you will see here, I like it much better this way. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this gave you some great inspiration to organize your home. Leave a comment below of where you are going to organize next, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.